I wanna smell it. Oh my god, that was difficult. Hello beautiful chocolate people. Today we're doing a craft chocolate unboxing. This is the Cacao Review limited edition collection 2. This is a chocolate box of one each of bars, of which only 200 were made, and they were made exclusively for Cacao Review. I believe it's 6 bars, including one that they made themselves. This is difficult to open. That's so freaking fancy! Limited. Ooh, okay, so each of the bars is one of only 200 made, but the collections were only put together in 150 boxes, so they sold a few of the bars separately, about 50 from each. That is so cute. There's also like a pin in here and a tasting book, if I recall from the description. Yes! That is so cute. It says, I know how to say cacao. So it's not just a picture or swirls, it actually says something. This is so classy. Holy crap. Look, there's like black fluff paper. That's what that's called, I'm pretty sure. And there are legit boxes. Like this is a box. It's all wrapped like presents. First, I want to go for the biggest box because, you know, it's almost Christmas. Ooh! Naive. Chocolate Naive is a company from Lithuania, and this is their chocolate in flakes. It's like hot chocolate mix for people who know better. It's like actual chocolate that you melt with either heavy cream, if you're me, or maybe whole milk. And they only made 200 batches of this. Oh my god, it's in a glass jar. They only made 200 batches of this glass jar, and I mean, right after filming, I'm clearly going to go buy some heavy cream. Okay, this is so cool. I wanna smell it. Oh my god, that was difficult. Oh, that smells so good. That smells like really fruity and sweet. A bit cocoa-y. It smells kind of like straight, like cacao beans, like raw cacao beans. It's got that like earthy, fruity smell to it. I wonder what the origin is. Nicaragua. Ah, it's rugoso especial, or rugoso special. It's a Nicaraguan variety of cacao. Okay. Box 1 open. This is like Christmas. And next biggest box of all of them. It's so cool. They have like their stickers on all of them. Wow. This is so legit. I'm already excited for next year's box. Ooh. Ritual! I love the black theme of it all. Like all the bars are black but with like a pop of color. This is so gorgeous. It's in Ritual's regular packaging. Ritual's a maker out of Park City, Utah. Yeah, Park City, Utah, which is really close to where Cacao Review is. This is fennel flower, crystal, and guava, Marañón Peruvian cacao. Oh yes. Then next biggest, we have also with the very fancy sticker. Oh, this looks like an unwrapped bar from, if you might know them, Maru. But it's not exactly. This is micro batch Farm of Mrs. Tam Daknong Province. It's a 75% bar, 80 grams like most of theirs. So I assume it looks like most of their bars. Let's see. Next. Oh, Maru is based out of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Next biggest, and actually maybe the smallest bar. Ah! Oh yes! Okay, white and black. Om Nom. Om Nom is a maker with the greatest name. They're in Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik, Iceland. I don't know why I keep rolling my R's. This is their rye and caraway bar. Caraway is a spice, and I don't know exactly what it tastes like. Oh, but there's a lot of ingredients in this bar. A crunchy, buttery white chocolate with traditional Icelandic rye bread, hand-picked caraway seeds, and sea salt from the western fjords. West fjords. Cocoa butter, organic cane sugar, Icelandic milk powder, dried Icelandic rye bread, which has a lot of ingredients, butter, Icelandic caraway seeds, and sea salt. My body is ready. This is bar number 15 of 200. Getting closer. We have the gorgeous pin, which is going on my backpack. And this is the bigger, flattest bar. And it is... Oh, it's chocolate naive! Rugoso Especial, or Rugoso Special. This is made with the same cacao as the hot chocolate, possibly the same exact chocolate. So I'm not gonna open this one quite yet, but the final sentence is, let me take you on a taste experience of the deep and remote northern highlands of Nicaraguan mountains. So yeah, Naive is from Lithuania. And there's one more bar in here, Rio Caribe. This is Dominican cacao, I believe. Yeah, I'm not crazy. Dominican cacao, and this was transformed into a bar by the owners of Cacao Review, Emily and Dayton. Thank you guys so much for putting together this box. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to put this beautiful cacao pod picture on my wall, and to use my tasting book, and to taste these bars.